one of the tourist destinations in Kediri, Java, which is famous among tourists, is the Basuki tourism area. This tourist area is located west of the Brantas River, precisely on the slopes of Mount Willis. Okay guys, we in Irenggolo Waterfall and let's see. Every day many people come to this area to enjoy the beauty of the mist and breathe the fresh mountain air. The natural view of the mountains, the very cool air is a series of beauty in the tourist location of Irenggolo Waterfall. Especially when you go up to the tree house, which is on the trekking path, you will see the calm of natural beauty from ahead. Irenggolo Waterfall has a height of about 80 meters, and from top to bottom is filled with small steps like stairs. The water current is not heavy, so it becomes a beauty when the water flows on every step. Usually, the visitors like to sit on the steps while being so thrilled by the Irenggolo waterfall. Visitors and their families, while there among them, swim and play water, children's playground and camping there.